Come closer so I can see you in the light. Tell me, why have you returned here?
What do you mean? I've never been here before.
Not you. The female.
You must be mistaken.
Indeed. Your appearance has changed, but not your eyes. Your eyes give everything away. You are the Black Dragon, Cinder, the terror of the skies, the Dark Master's puppet.
I was, but I'm not anymore. I'm not proud of the things I've done.
Oh, is it that simple to turn your back on Malifaux?
You don't have to listen to him, Cinder.
Did you not recognize the creatures that moved in the shadows? The apes too had served the Dark Master, but more for their own greed and thirst for power than any true loyalty to him. This is how Malifaux repaid them. Doomed to remain in the dark, feeding off the power of others, never being fulfilled. You can run. You cannot hide, Cinder.
Cinder, let's go.
The Dark Master will find you.
Cinder, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'll be fine.
Well, I am not. Was I the only one who was freaked out by that guy? Jeez. Okay, at least it wasn't a complete waste of time. Ta-da! Come on, what you waiting for?